Cyco Platinum Series Doctor Repair is an additive used throughout the vegetative and flowering periods of plant growth to prevent chlorosis and soothe environmental stresses. Doctor Repair contains balanced amounts of urea-based nitrogen, which is fast-acting and works to complement available nitrates to infuse the plant with already present minerals to repair chlorosis or lack of chlorophyll. Nitrogen is key in the formation of amino acids, physical cell structure, and the reparation of missing chlorophyll molecules. In addition, Doctor Repair contains chelated iron in the form of iron EDTA, a necessary component in the production of chlorophyll. This infusion of immediately available and pure iron works to reverse chlorosis.